Welcome to weighing indicators using the FHI toolbox. In this video, we'll be explaining how to change the weights of the indicators in the FHI toolbox. Click on the pencil button on the top left corner of the window to open the indicator weights. If you have compiled data present, upload the weighing data with the top right corner button. If you have no compiled data present or wish to edit the weights manually, you can adjust the weights through the sliders or typing the value in. Once completed, remember to click OK to save the changes. That is all for weighing indicators. Thank you and see you again.